All right, ladies and gentlemen, here are the people that entered the contest. And we have Michael Brinks. He guessed that my shop is 240 square feet. You have Willard Buchanan that guessed my shop to be 670 square feet. We have Road Score, 400 square feet. Just Another Motorized Bike Channel, guess was 270 square feet. Norm Peterson, 144 square feet. Mike Logos, I believe that's how it's pronounced, 400 square feet. Rhode Island Roger, guess was at 720 square feet. Opie Wanzilla, 400 square feet, which he's not. I told him he could play, but he's not eligible because he won the last one. Mike Miller, 600 square feet. Ken Meese, 300 square feet. Bry the Bike Guy, 870 square feet. Paul Gale, 361 square feet. Dustin H, 375 square feet. So that's all of them right here. And that's all the guesses we got for it. Another thing I didn't say originally that I'm going to go ahead and say now, Super Clean ships only to the lower 48. So sorry about you Canada guys. All right. But none of y'all won anyhow. The actual square foot of the shop is, boom. So my calculation is that Kenneth Meese is the winner. Send me your address to this email address. I will give it to Super Clean and they will be sending you a package. That's simple. No cost to you whatsoever. So what we got coming up, we got to work on this. I'm sorry, right here. We got work coming up on this jug or cylinder. And because the other one I got on it, I got the smaller version of 47, I think there's some issues with cracking in it. And I kept getting wisps of smoke out of the head, no matter how hard I would tighten it. And then I kept cutting it down on the lathe until I found a crack or a holiday, whatever you want to call it, where the metal took a holiday or porosity or whatever, and then I had cut it down so far I think I had really killed the performance of it. It hardly had any pump left on it. So I got the 50 millimeter version. We're going to be going through that. My prior numbers I got off of it are very, very impressive. It's like I'm not going to do anything to the jug except transfer ports are horrible, literally very horrible. And you really don't need anything to do with the exhaust. It's just basic cleanup. The deck height looks good. I got one of those really nice, and I do have to admit they are nice. Those smaller performance heads to go on it, and beautiful fit. You're gonna see where I said I was gonna cut that old head down and make a new stop block to do the port numbers. You're gonna see that. And then the first video I'm gonna do after this one, the very next video, is going to be on this piece of shit. And it's not really that bad, and it has a lot of bad reviews on it. And when you watch the video, you'll see why. I've been wanting a 90-degree, but most of them I've looked at, what have you, are bulky, and they're not really a micro right angle die grinder. This one here actually is. So we'll be doing a video on that next. That'll be the up and next video. And man, thank y'all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Subscribing, liking, stuff like that. And like I said, it's free. And we'll be doing some more. I mean, Super Clean, they a great company, and I can't say any more about them other than they're just great. So, and the product is great too. If you need to clean your motor up, what have you, it's not good on polished aluminum or stuff like that, and it will change the color of your cases maybe a little bit. You get them flushed with water really fast and cleaned and dried up, you're good. So, but there won't be any oil or debris left in it, that's for sure. So that's what you're looking for more than anything else. Chrome don't get you home, but you do look good on the side of the road. Y'all have a good day.